Hey guys, accidentally deleted my other video that I did last week, and that I had to edit it a bit today. So I'm doing again the video because I really want to share with you this amazing device that I tried. I didn't quite stick to the treatment, but I promise that next week I'm gonna do it daily like it should, and voila. So this is the device. It's called NEWA, and it comes along with this lift cream gel. It's more like a gel, yeah, it's gel for delicate skin, and it's a pretty neat device because it helps the production of collagen in your skin, and I think that's pretty important, seeing that after a certain age it's not that we don't produce collagen anymore, it's that we are losing it step by step, each year, each month, voila. So yeah, this device really is amazing. I already tested it like a few times. It wasn't daily as it should. You also have an app that you can use with it. You can have it for free, of course, when you purchase the device, and you just have to enter or scan this code here. Yeah, it's pretty easy to use, it's nothing complicated, and if you feel like it's bothering you, because actually it looks like this, and this little thing here, like the metal lines will heat up, and with the lifting gel this will help produce more collagen, and your skin will be more firm and more well, healthy looking. Mine isn't now, so it's not by mistake that my video got deleted. I don't believe in coincidence, so I think this is God's way to tell, hey, you got to use your stuff. So voila, we're gonna use it today, and I hope that I can keep my promise and use it every day, so my treatment will be complete. But I must say that even after a single use, you already feel your skin pretty neat, pretty hydrated in a way, pretty amazing actually, pretty healthy looking, and young, you know. I, for instance, I have a bit of very dry skin here, and with dark circles, and with some wrinkles, because actually the device really is amazing on wrinkles. Me, I don't have any other wrinkles, well, not that I know of. I'll be 29 this year, so I think that's a factor maybe as well, and good genes. So yeah, the device will look like this once it's plugged in. You just have to apply the gel. Me personally, I just apply like this for each eye. I think it's like sufficient. Personally, for me, it's very good. So yeah, you just press the button, and it's gonna look like this. It's already heating up. I know already my my treatment duration, so we're gonna do like 4 minutes for each eye. I'm focusing on the eye area myself. This guy will tell you when the session is over. It will vibrate when the session is over. It's not hot anymore. And I'm actually having it on level 2. I forgot to tell you that. Actually, you have 2 levels, and we're gonna do the second eye. Also had a look at their website, and it seems that they have only amazing results. They have great reviews, and personally I'm gonna try to stick to my treatment to have like actual results. The thing is, I remember the next day after I use it, I'm gonna put it on maybe my skin was so good. It felt refreshed in a way, if you understand what I mean, and it was actually pretty amazing to have such well hydrated skin. Again, that means the treatment is over, and it's pretty easy to clean the device. You just take a little wipe. You also have a little gel excess on your face, but you can rub that in so it goes into your skin. It actually hydrates your skin so good. I love how the skin feels after you use this device. You will see, it's incredible. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back with more very soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe.